Opening in the frame. I need to make the opening. Let's do it. Ooh, we got messed up. So cool. What a waste. Nope, opposite. Terrible. Spark line. Does that make sense? Did you see a spark?
No.
Oh, I did. I hear heat pipes. I will not stand for this. Guess it's been a while since I used that framing gun. Looked like a hack. Maybe I am a hack. So if I'm doing a 36-inch door, so if I was installing a 36-inch, and you can't see that, Lauren.
Nope, not at all.
Like that. Make this look better, Lauren. Whoa! Whoops. Not reading instructions. Ah! Oh, come on. Think you can get this nail out? I doubt it. The old side hammer. Oh, God, don't do this. Of course, I had to get it into the joist, didn't I? Oh my God. Wow, I look like a real jackass right now, don't I? At least I know they're solid. Can you step on that, please?